Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're talking about the Lysol Automatic in the Bowl Toilet Cleaner. This handy product helps to clean and freshen your toilet bowl automatically with every flush. With antimicrobial protection in the hook, it resists odor-causing bacteria, keeping your bathroom smelling clean and fresh. Each pack contains 2 counts of cleaners, providing up to 8 weeks supply. The lemon breeze scent with essential oils will leave your bathroom smelling amazing and help maintain a clean, fresh toilet between deep cleans. If you're tired of constantly scrubbing your toilet, this product is a game changer. Say goodbye to dirty, unpleasant odors and hello to a fresh, clean bathroom every time you enter. Trust me, you won't regret giving this a try. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the hassle of keeping your toilet clean, be sure to check out the Lysol Automatic in the Bowl Toilet Cleaner. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.